Hi everybody, it's Scott with World Kia Joliet. Today I want to talk to you about the 8 top reasons why you should be doing business with World Kia Joliet if you've got challenge credit. I've also got a couple of tips for you as a bonus on how to help rebuild your credit. All right, number 3, expert credit knowledge. At World Kia, we understand that each financial situation is as unique as a snowflake or a fingerprint. No two are exactly alike. This understanding is at the core of our approach to helping customers with credit challenges. Our team doesn't just understand cars, we're masters at decoding the intricate patterns in credit reports and financial histories. Where others see a maze of numbers, we see a roadmap to approvals. This expertise allows us to navigate the often confusing world of credit with precision and creativity. What sets us apart is our ability to identify patterns that lead to approvals. While most dealerships might see a low credit score, like a 510, as an impossibility or a dead end, we see it as an exciting challenge. To us, that number isn't a barrier. It's an opportunity to showcase our expertise and dedication. When faced with a challenging credit situation, we don't just work harder, we work smarter. We dive deep into your unique financial fingerprint, looking for those subtle patterns and opportunities that others might miss that gets your deal done where others can't. Our goal isn't to just get you into a car, it's to craft a solution that fits your specific situation like a glove. We can explain how different actions impact your score, help you understand your credit report, and provide strategies for improvement. But more than that, we can show you how your unique financial story can be the key to your approval. At World Kia, we don't shy away from hard work. In fact, we thrive on it. When others see a low credit score as too much effort for too little reward, we see it as a chance to do what we do best, turning seeming impossibilities into realities. Our goal is to empower you with knowledge and options, transforming what might seem like a simple car purchase into a pivotal financial experience. We're not just here to sell you a car, we're here to be your partners in navigating the complex world of auto financing, and it is complex. So whether your credit score is stellar or challenging, remember, at World Kia, we see every unique financial snowflake as an opportunity to create something beautiful. Your path to vehicle ownership.